Yes, good evening. We will be studying today the 7 volumes out of 7 volume, 5th volume, where we know diseases and the related remedies are there. So I told you, when I'm recording in the Zoom, we get the audio also. I will send you that audio separately so that if you keep listening to these things, you will remember at the time of real requirement. When your patients come with a certain problem, you will be able to identify it properly. So with the idea of that, that video, this maybe 1 hour audio will be able to recollect everything, whatever you're supposed to do. Okay. Like means whenever a patient comes, you will be able to correlate and give the remedies. Okay. For alcoholism, arnica 3x and naxomica 30, 3 times a day. Okay. Amoebic dysentery. Amoebic dysentery, we have amoebic dysentery mixture, liver mixture, chalcedonium single remedy, China single remedy, mercurius single remedy, and lycopodium single remedy. And general remedies for amoebic dysentery: digestion balance, liver balance, in mixture, gastro mixture, and in spasm. Okay, in OM for amoebic dysentery, blood, OM6, colon, OM14, small intestine, OM17, liver. OTs, organ therapies, colon, total, stomach. And what are a Soham mixture? Soham mixture is Soham cleansing. If we use, we can address the amoebic dysentery. Next is anemia. Anemia means, lack of blood, hemoglobin in other way. So what are the specific remedy for this? So most common remedy is anemia because of an iron deficiency. Okay, and deficiency in nutrition. So what you have to give in this? Nutrition, anemia balance, backup, mixture number 63. It is my very favorite combination. And I have seen wonderfully it has helped even the last stages of cancer. I mean, helped means they are recovered back and went back to home. This I've been told you. I've been telling you so many times. Okay. Then we'll see the OM blood is also one of the remedy which we have to give in anemia balance. I mean anemia balance, blood 200 and OM blood we can give. And now basic treatment for all type of anemia. What we should give? Ferrum phos, CM potency. They have that Narani Mata has advised the potency also. Ferrum phos CM booster. Booster is that OM 63 and uplift, anemia balance, blood sugar balance, ACTH, hemoglobin, spleen meridian, OM1 blood, OM8 blood sugar balance, cat's eye, ruby red, and Soham uplift. These are very important remedy for anemia. And mixtures in anemia. Anemia is a lack of blood. What are the general remedies with our volume 3? Anemia balance, liver balance. What are the mixtures? Booster, immunity and nutrition. These are the mixtures available for anemia. And OMs, organ mixture 1 blood, organ mixture 7 liver. And organ therapy remedies. We can give hemoglobin. It is there in the card list. Marrow and spleen. And Soham uplift and tissue remedy ferrum phos. As I told you, I am giving you the audio recording of this so that you can keep listening whenever you are free with your with your mobile. In a mobile only you can put this audio and you can keep listening. It will be a very uh, good idea so that you will really recollect what real time you require is. Like appendicitis. Appendicitis, arnica, gunpowder CM, war, Soham infection. To prevent infection, if it burst, give conjunction with whatever remedy you choose. So, arnica, gunpowder, or and Soham infection. Appendicitis. Belladonna 1 m every 10 minutes until the pain reduces. Bryonia CM. Patient must lie still. If he moves, the pain is increased. So in that cases, we have to give the bryonia. You can also give the constipation mix 3 times a day. Iris 10x is a specific for appendicitis. This is available in our numerical medica. And general remedies for appendicitis: pain, spasm, Soham infection, Soham pain. Arthritis and rheumatism. Arthritis, rheumatism, we have different type of problems like ankylosing spondylitis, arthritis, gout, lumbago, osteoarthritis, rheumatic fever, rheumatism, rheumatoid arthritis, sciatica. What are the general remedies for all these? Inflammation, belladonna 1 m, war until pain ceases, injury, arnica, injury mix, kidney, KBS you have to give so that the extra calcium and it balances the calcium and any toxins in the body it removes it. So liver mix, choose from the symptom. Menopause is the cause of menopause. Then you have to use the climatic mixture and medorinum. And mind, because of mind, if mind is very disturbed and volatile, so aconite, calibrum, calming mixture. Okay, so shock. If this is due to the shock, cause is a shock, aconite and shock mixture. If any vaccination is a cause, use thuja. And general diet for all the arthritis is skeletal balance, circulation meridian, mixture, back pain mixture, bone 200, gout 30, inflammation 6x, knees 30, left-sided pain 200, right-sided pain 200, rheumatism RA 200, hands pain sciatica. These are generally used in the rheumatism and have seen wonderful result with the cervical 4, OM4, OM5, OM17, OM27, OM30 that we know. OM4 is cervical, OM5 is circulation, OM17 is the liver, organ medicine liver, 27 is the supportive tissue, 30 is connective tissue, 31, 32, 33 are the spine portion. I have seen wonderful result in the spine problem. They are getting better within a month or two. Definitely far better. So I have a full confidence, with that you can use it. What are the Soham remedies for the arthritis and rheumatism? That is Soham injury, Soham rheumatism, arthritis and Soham skeletal. And what are the specific remedies? Single remedies for, because we have seen in our repertory in the morning. So here, as per Narayani Swamiji, she is suggesting few remedies: aconite, alumina, antim crude, arnica, arum metallicum, belladonna, bryonia, caulopylum, causticum, chamomilla, chelidonium, hypericum, bicromatum, ledum pal, lycopodium, medorinum. No, these are the remedy. And mercurius, pain in the bone, natum sulf, chronic gout, naxomica, pain in the lower back, phosphorus, burning pain between the shoulder, pulsatilla, shifting pain. Rustox is worst in cold weather. worst in wetting, ruta sciatica, celiacia is sciatica in the both the leg, staphysagria, syphilinum, and Artica urens. These are the most important remedy in the rheumatism. And as I told you, you have to go back to the materia medica and find out the right remedy. Rheumatism. Rheumatism, rheumatic arthritis, all the same. And in rheumatism, same as I told earlier, the same remedies will repeat, like skeletal, back pain, hand rheumatism, knees, left-sided pain, right-sided pain, and pain 50 m, a 59 mixture, 10 pain 10 m, and sciatica, cervical, and circulation, knees, that is 16, OM 16, OM 18, OM 27, OM 30, OM 31, 32, 33, 34, they are spine remedies. You must, why, how this will help you? What I am telling, how this will help you? Because, well, while listening, you will recollect, yes, for a spine, he said there is a back pain, hand rheumatism, knees, left-sided, right-sided remedy pain, how we have to cover all the particular problem. Okay. And what are the remedies in the Soham mixture? Soham rheumatism or rheumatic arthritis and Soham skeletal. Soham skeletal is very important remedy. Have seen very good result in Soham skeletal. And you see rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis, as it is, you have to use this book, read this book. By going through this book, you will understand how to cover a disease. No. Anyway, we will see the now. Here also lot many single remedies are given. So the first hand remedies, immediately what you should remember. When arthritis means, you have to say the apis is a leading remedy. Apis mellifica, and puffy swelling, fluid around the joint, feel too large, hand and fingers puffy, and blood mixture, booster, anemia balance, Soham uplift. These are the remedies for the rheumatism. And Briannia stiff, swollen, and aggravation from the movement, and hot swelling, terrible pain on the least moment, that is bryonia. And gunpowder for inflammation in the joint, and leadampal is for a swelling in the ankle with a painful hot swelling feet, big toe swollen, soles very painful, cannot walk on them, that is leadampal. Okay, for leadam. Okay, so likewise feet and ankles. What a feet and ankle problem, terrible pain, berberis, terrible paralyzing pain in the feet. Cactus, edema of the feet in the and leg. Conium, paralysis beginning in the feet, going up, toes and the fingers numb. Phormphos, shooting pain in the knees, ankle, causing patient to weep. Laterus, toes pressed to floor, bent over the heel, unable to touch the floor. Okay, leadum, lameness after this sprained ankle, great pain in the bone of the feet, ankle and tendon, back of the ankle, the rheumatic or gout begin in the feet, worse up, ankles and the feet sprain easily. That is leadum. Natrum carbi, easily dislocation. Natrum falls, pain in the toes. Radium, severe pain in the ankle or toe. Sulfur, burning in the feet, put them out of the bed cover at night. And finger, if they are affecting the finger. Anacardium, neuralgia in thumb, pain in the shoulder to fingers. Calcareous sulf, berberis, pain from shoulder to finger. calcarea self, stiff, painful, swollen, rigid, and puffy fingers. So I think so. When I'm reading this, I feel that you can even you can go through this, but I thought there's a cream like this thing. If you can remember if you can remember my, once I'm giving audio, you can listen the disease versus the remedies, like that. Let us see, we generally we will not concentrate on the single remedy here, because I have already explained you how you can detect a single remedy by going through the repertory. Okay, we will see only the our combination, Narayani combination for this. For a low blood pressure, we will take the selected disease, so that we get a ready remedies without any confusion. So you can remember it. Low blood pressure, for that, what are the balance remedy we give? Anemia balance, blood sugar balance, hysteria balance, and stress balance. And for mixtures, low blood pressure mixer is BP mix. We can give OM1 blood, OM5 circulation, OT remedies, organ therapy remedies, adrenaline, iota, artery. Soham, what all we can use? Soham BP, Soham circulation, blood sugar. These can be used for low blood pressure. And for the diabetes, every time the question is asked, what are remedy for diabetes? Let us see as per Mata Narayani what she suggests. See, for the treatment, these specific are blood 200. You know, blood 200, that it looks after the all the blood chemistry. Blood 200, calming for tension, KBS. Okay, surely we'll see that. And KBS, a background remedy for drain toxins. Natrum sulf 6x gives a daily over a long period. Natrum sulf and natrum sulf CM 1 dose 15 days, maximum 12 dose. Pancreatine 30 and shock mixture for any shock. Thyroid 30, check thyroid, often it is a balances in condition. So, and treatment, exercise, breathing, pressure pointing are essential. Okay, then what else we can do? There are so many single remedies given here. I just read it. So arsenic alba, graphitis, natrum sulf, acid phos, cesium zambolium, uranium nitricum, DB mix, diamond indigo. Diamond indigo is germ therapy remedy. Okay, and diamond indigo, adrenaline, cortisone, insulin, pancreas, pancreatine, pituitary gland, spleen meridian, thyroid, OM8, sugar, blood sugar, and Soham digestion. These are the group. And second one is the treat liver mixture, liver balance, liver OT, liver meridian, OM liver, Soham digestion, because so liver is also a main organ in case of the diabetes. And netramure, calming, shock, hysteria balance, stress balance, and Soham stabilization, Soham stress, Soham tension for all. And diet is very important. Very little sugar and starchy, plenty of vegetable and fruit and salad. See, Mataji has told in only one sentences. Okay. And what are the balance remedies we can give in the diabetes? The anemia balance, blood sugar balance, circulation balance, depression balance, fear balance, hysteria balance, and stress balance. And what are the mixture? Blood mixture, booster, backup mixture. Backup is also called as booster. Backup mixture and nutrition. These are main remedy. And what are the OM remedies? OM blood sugar. Now mixture number 8 and mixture number 9 is digestion psychosomatic. And what are the OT remedies? Adrenaline, arteries, hemoglobin, insulin, pancreas, pituitary posterior, and spleen. And Soham peace and love alignment. That Soham mixture in what all we give? Soham peace and love alignment. Soham lack of confidence. Soham diabetes and Soham uplift. Okay. And I have seen, I already told you many times, see, bone infection and decay. You can, I tell you, you can open only plantar fasciitis or a heel pain clinic. I'm sure you get a 100% result. Not even high, if not 100%, 97% result you will get. We'll see what Mata Narayani has advised. See, all bone infection, balances, injury balance and skeletal balance, and what are the mixture in the for the bone and bone decay, acidity, back pain, calcium and hand rheumatism and pain. These are there in the mixture form. And is OM. OM bone irregularity, OM4 cervical, OM18 sacral and lumbar, OM27 supportive tissue, OM30 is connective tissue, 31, 32, 33 are the spine remedies. And again, I am telling you, I am getting very good result with this. OT. OT means organ therapy remedies, bone, cartilage, elbow joint, intervertebral disc, ligament and parathyroid. These are the OT remedies you can use. I can understand you are getting bored by this because the simple reading and how you can understand, but I want that it should somewhere stick in your subconscious mind. For that reason only, I don't want you understand it consciously. It should go to the subconscious mind. Whenever it is required for the particular patient, you should come from there. Okay. That's how I was intending you. And there are so many things here. I feel now after reading this much, you should read by one, going through this book. Is very interesting. And it is while treating, you can keep this book aside along with the volume 3. Keep a volume 3 side, but go to this book first and see what are the remedies they are mentioning here. Then go to the volume 3, set those right into the machine and make a remedies. So beautiful things are there, because by reading, I just thought, I can read like 1 hour. I'm finding it is not possible. It is not possible to finish that. So it is best you go through, make a note, and we'll see if any audiobook is available in the name of the Boric Materia Medica. Will you do that? But this is the most important volume to understand for what disease, what remedy to be given. We'll see 1 or 2 more here. We'll just see headache. What all the type of headache? Different type of headaches are there. Alcohol, excessive drinking. For what? For that, what are the remedy? Like that, you can go through. And now, see, we have come to the practical session of the vibronics. I would like to ask from you, what do you want to know from me? Because here I generally believe in the teamwork. See, what you want to know, I will be able to deliver it. I will be able to give it so that the success will be 100%. And Ravi sir and Isha ji, and you can tell what do you want to know? Because because 8th we started our journey and only 1 month is left. This month was dedicated specially for practical application of the vibronics.
Sir, the thing is, we have to experience ourselves. If we have any doubt, means we'll be in touch with you. So I think so that is a better part in that way.
Yes.
In sometimes if you have any doubt in that way of using the machines, just I feel like we can record the video how we are using that machine, and I can send it to you. If it is anything mistake means you can tell and we can correct it in that way, sir.
Okay, okay. That another thing, and I actually wanted the that I understood you have well taken. So I will guide you what
Yes,
way you have to do that, and wherever if you stuck, and if you we will take exactly the same example using our machine. But see,
yes.
for yes, come sir.
Treating the patient.
Yeah, yeah. Treating the patient. So I was
So
requesting
treating the
you.
patient, we are already
Yeah, for the
yes, sir.
treating the patient, we can take the actual symptoms, and we can know generalize how what is our approach. See, one patient come in what all the ways that is explained very well in this. But the thing is, it is lot of taking lot of time, and I am feeling that reading is
Yes,
the same book. It is of no use. You can also read it. I want to tell because
yes.
only one few days left. I want to tell which you want to know in that way. So
Okay,
anyway, I will be taking the dowsing class. Okay.
okay,
How we
okay,
can douse and make the remedies and select the remedies. So we'll come to that,
okay,
and I'll see what I left. I will take a and I already yesterday today morning we have not today morning. That is yesterday we have taken the from zero to hero. I named it as a zero to hero, so that with a very quick time we will be able to master the meridian acupuncture meridian, which one to give, which jump remedies to give, and which biochemical remedy to give in this particular case, and which are the mixtures we have to give. So we have already very easily we got in the idea. I think
yes,
that is it clear, Raviji, how we can come to know for a different
yes, sir.
disease?
It is clear
What
now.
are they? Yes. So likewise, see here there are in this book again, these are the previous version book, and the 108 combo all made from these books only by taking the
Okay,
suggestion from these books. So
okay,
here they have mentioned, uh, yeah, there are few things, I will give you the copy of those things, because there is one more important topic just going today, means for a different disease, what are the vitamin supplement you should give,
okay,
like that. So it is in the volume number 6 and 7, page number 74. We have a list for different diseases, what are the vitamins we should give. And again, vitamin means not the actual vitamin, all vitamin from our own machine only. We have
okay,
a list of vitamins mentioned in our book. We have to give that those things only. Okay, here you see acne. Acne is the pimples and all, B6 and vitamin C and zinc. They are used for as a supplement. Like that, it is there. This by just reading of no use. And anyway, I'm going to get whoever is interested, we'll get this book. And with that, you will be able to go through and you will revise it also. And meridian also. As per the Mataji, she has mentioned for what all the meridian point you have to use. It is very easy with another Brahma. Just select that and you can generate the remedy for those things. For example, asthmatic attack. Asthmatic attack, SI 14, GB 20, 21, stomach 40 and liver, lungs 1, liver 11, bladder 12, bladder 13, bladder 43. So like this, these are the for the asthma attack as per the Mata Narayani. So these you can select from the meridian and you can generate the tone. This tone can be heard, or you can make a remedy out of this tone and give. So it will work like that. So in this book, same book, she has written what are the acupuncture points for different diseases. See, for that reason only I am telling you these 7 volumes are everything has in this. It has got a gem therapy. It has got, we have seen the batch flower remedies, and it has got a, biochemistry. Whatever the topic I have already covered, everything is there in this. Now, therapeutic is taking, little bit of time. Therapeutic means yesterday, as I told you today morning, how for cough, how different cases, different position, different clause. You can say from the cold, sitting on the standing in the cold water, like that. So many things, but a different remedies. So likewise, it has got a for everything. And one of that brought thrombosis because they come, people come with all the scanning. They come that there is a lack of circulation in our leg, so terrible pain. And he was from one of the biggest hospital in our Bangalore is a Jayadeva Hospital for cardiology. From there, the patient came and, with these remedies, thrombosis remedies mentioned in the book of Patak Repertory, what I shown today morning, that cured him completely.
Oh,
Within a week, he became all right. Made all the remedies from this Vibronics only. So he was free from pain. Otherwise, he was not able to get up and go for a toilet also. Such a big means what I am telling you, our approach, because as you are rightly said, we have to make our little bit effort to understand. In case of any doubt, we can have a questions here. And like, bladder hiccup, bladder meridian 15, bladder 16, bladder 45, bladder 46, and stomach 9. Okay. And these are the hiccup remedies. And in the hiccup remedies, in with the acupuncture, as per the acupuncture. So likewise, since we have another Brahma, it's very easy. We can create all these remedies from the acupuncture meridian given by Swami Narayani. We can make and we can give the remedies. Let me see what else I have not covered. And as it is in volume 1 and 2, it is a simple remedies. All the remedies, whatever the Dr. Suvarna had told, and what are the remedies in out of we are giving 650 cards, or you can say list of 650 remedies. All that is covered in this book. All that remedies and hypericum, this, that, how it is working, where it is working. So we will do that later. Even bowl remedies. Now, as it is, we have, because reading disease and reading the remedies, even I am also getting bored, because I understand that even listeners will be much more bored than me. So I stopped there and I wanted to do something interesting here. So as I told you, as per the Swami Narayani, the single remedies are used for what all the purpose. Cat's eye. Cat's eye is used for, yes, huh,
orthotics. Yesterday we
cat,
saw it.
yes, morning we saw that it is
Yes,
used for arthritis, because,
yes,
cat's eye is it produces the infrared.
yes.
It is equivalent to infrared.
Okay,
And Gomedaka is for ultraviolet.
okay.
So for that reason, so this is infrared rays we heat, for some power portion whenever we have the joint pain. So this one is the cat's eye is used for joint pains. Cat's eye and sapphire, right? So
Yes,
like
okay.
that. So like that, Mataji has added lot many philosophy into it. So Definitely we have to read the philosophy, but not in the class. Okay, she has given lot many philosophy. Like, life has become so hectic that there is no time to establish a balance. Gurudev Shivananda used to sing a song like that. So many philosophies also she is added. But let us see, for diamond, for actual single diamond. For you, I think so. It's very useful. It's used for anal fissure and diabetes.
Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, then you can make and give them a ring of this the diamond.
Diamond.
So convulsion, epilepsy, and the spasm. Work on the sex organs and complaints of the both female and male. Skin complaints, because the diamond emits which color? Diamond emits, as per the color therapy, indigo.
Indigo.
It emits the indigo color. So indigo generally affects on the skin and other areas. Mental aspect even ruled by Venus. Okay, am I right? Indigo is Venus.
Yes, okay.
So like that, any condition which affect the alimentary tract and indigestion, erection, flatulence, for everything it is used. Emerald green affects the spleen and kidney, having tremendous cooling effect on the kidney and burning hot urine. So now we are talking about the emerald. Emerald is used for what all the condition? All the digestive system. Emerald is green.
Yes.
So green again you can compare with the bile juice. Acid bile juice is green in color. So
Okay.
we can think that way. So you can connect it to digestive system. So emerald is for basically for digestive system as a single remedy. Someone having digestion problem, you can give the emerald. I already told you how you can make the emerald gem therapy.
Yes, sir.
That way, if you want to work on the Bhattacharya way, or if you want to work on Vibronic, we have the diamond. We have a card. You can use it. Okay, emerald green helps in flatten thin people. Fatten thin people. A reverse.
Mm.
If anybody is thin, they can be made fat by using the emerald. Where very thin people can be made fat. Okay. So mental aspect is cool and cool the angry mind. Cool also, angry mind also. Let us see. And next is moonstone. Moonstone is a blue. Moonstone is blue. So they are here, the moonstone, they are comparing with the Guru's stone here in this book. Moonstone blue natural color will work on any condition affecting the head, throat, upwards, adenoid, tonsils, cough, cold, catarrh, and swollen neck, glands, and everything. So moonstone works on the throat area and tonsils, glands, like that. It will work. Onyx is that a gomed. Gomedaka is useful for a person who extreme heat in the body and mind. Sexual excesses, brain disorder causing violence, and extremely violent mental temperament are the Gomeda. That is 1x. Ultraviolet ray is already written here. I was just telling it is there written, Mataji written, 1x emits the ultraviolet ray. Okay, pearl. Pearl we have already seen it is mainly used for asthma and other things, chest complaint, bronchitis, pleurisy, pneumonia, and so many things we are using. That pearl is used. Ruby. Ruby, any illness or condition restricts movement through the lack of power and vital force is lack of vital force should be treated with the ruby. Ruby is a sun, this stands for a sun and red color. So anywhere lack of energy, you can give ruby. And wonderful for a aged to pop up the entire system. It is wonderful for the aged people to have boosting as per the Mataji. Okay, arthritis and rheumatism, use ruby red for all the cases of the melodies. If it restricts movement in any part of the system, no matter what the name of the illness. So it can be used in any sort of all arthritis, and wherever there is a restricted movement, you can't move something, there you can use, so that it can be heated. And a bone joint irregularities also can be used, ruby can be used. And sapphire, as told you, violet sapphire. Sapphire is Saturn's symbol here. So natural way it works on the nervous system as a whole, including mental disorder, epilepsy, spasm, works on the mental effect. Patient where there is a emotional and nervous disturbance, diamond, indigo, and sapphire, violet as a combination will work wonder. What they are telling? Diamond, diamond indigo, and sapphire violet as a combination works wonders. Okay, in which cases? Emotional and the nervous disturbance. In all the inflammations anywhere in the body, which means all illnesses conditions ending with this itis. Any inflammation, any itis can be covered with the sapphire. Okay, these are the moonstone blue, or these are the all head conditions such as neuralgia, headache, earache, baldness, dandruff. Use sapphire violet in conjunction with the moonstone blue. For these condition, all back pain condition, backache, lumbago, sciatica, gout, kidney, bladder, everywhere you can use the sapphire, because nerve system. Sapphire works on the nervous system. With a card, with our the gem therapy, gem like it is written in our numerical mathematica, you can select that and give. And there are few combinations. I wanted to take it separately, but there are few we can stretch like anything. These courses can be stretched like anything, but we want to give the only cream and the which are useful for our practical application. There are so many things we can read, but which one we can apply? And we have still more time. We can think about chakra remedies. What are the chakra as per the Swami Narayani? Muladhara chakra is adrenal gland. Okay, this is a base chakra. So in case what all the problem it can be cured, all spinal problem, kidney, adrenal gland problem be treated with the base chakra. Base chakra is earth element. Earth element means bone, muscles, all comes under the earth element. So we want to treat the earth element, and the Muladhara chakra color is yellow. And Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana is gonad, that is there. That like ovaries and testes, these are all comes under the Swadhisthana chakra. And with this all you can say Swadhisthana chakra, it controls the water metabolism. And reproductive system, everything is covered in this Swadhisthana chakra. So next is Manipura chakra, is solar plexus. So solar plexus is rhythm, it is compared to the pancreas. And Anahata heart chakra is a thymus chakra. And Anahata chakra or heart chakra is connected to the thymus gland. Where is the thymus gland? Here. And Vishuddhi chakra. Vishuddhi chakra is a thyroid gland. Vishuddhi. Anahata is vagus nerves, and who have emotional strain, broken love affairs, like heart chakra, what happens? Accepting love or giving love will be the problem. So they can't live love, they can't accept the love. For such people, we can treat with the heart chakra. Anahata chakra and thymus, it rules on the thymus gland. Vishuddhi, thyroid, thyroid gland, Vishuddhi corresponds to thyroid gland, all allergy, that respiratory allergy, cough, asthma. So likewise, it is controlled by the Vishuddhi chakra and thyroid. And we don't need to worry for what disease, what chakra to be added. As we have from zero to hero, what we shown, you just follow, see once again, once or twice and thrice, and you will be able for what disease, what chakra to be used. If anybody is interested to know once again, we will discuss that chapter once again, no issues. But these are all, it is in the syllabus, it is in the book. That's why we should supposed to know. Otherwise, for what disease, what to be given, how to find out is already told to you. It's very easy. And chakra, what chakra to be used for different issues. It's already, we have already found out that. But individually, what all it is doing just for our uh, part of our subject, we should know. And so many things are there in organ therapy. There are OT. In our book, there is something is called as OT. OT stands for organ therapy. So ACTH is there. It is there all in the card form. ACTH is there, and I will give you one more wonderful stuff. That is in a card. Along with the card, there is a hint given for that card, and you can even, if you possible, you can see what number to be added to that. Otherwise, I will get it done through our MIS, so that the along with that card number and description of the card, you will also get the rate, radionic rate, so that you can make through your machine. Or nowadays you have got a digital vibronic, you can use that and make a remedy. Okay, so there are wonderful parts here, and we have covered almost that chakras, OT therapies, organ therapy remedies, because it is already, we'll come to know whenever we go to the group, we will come to know what are the OT remedies. Like, in ladies, ovaries, like a uterus, these are all there. I know, for men, testes, and like that, testosterones, and like that it is used. So it is very easy. OT remedies are, organ, like what are the OT remedies in the eyes? Retina, macula, like that. And like whatever the parts of the eye, it is used in the eye mixture. So like that, it's very easy. But you will not be asked, you will not be asked to give a gem remedy for such and such problem. Not required. As you said, you go to that complaint, go to that CC combo and see what are the chakras used, what are the gems used, what are the meridians used, and what are the single remedies used for that particular case. And if you want to go into the deeper level, take that remedy and you go to the materia medica and study into the deeper and find out. Or today morning, what I said, you can do that way. Okay. So likewise, whatever we got cough, we can go to asthma, we can go to piles, you can go to different hemorrhoid. Then you should know what are the alternate the nomenclatures they are using for those problems. Okay. So this is all. As I saw, it's all covered from this book. By next time, I will find out one free software, which is, which you can easily install. Anybody can install. I'll search for such a repertory online. Today morning we are shown on manual repertory. We will go to the automatic repertorization and out of finding out the remedy. Then we will make the remedy out of our machine using the Nada Brahma, and also using the our traditional machine. Okay, we will do that way. So that is our I request one more. Now I will see whether it is possible to cover the cycle method. I will ask Dr. Tulpale sir if he can cover within a day. But I request you, you should not miss that class because very interesting. So we'll see. I will ask him because we have the total 1 month. 1 month for means already means 3 weeks. 3 weeks into 6 classes we have. 6 classes within that, if possible, we can cover. We will ask. That is also very interesting, like the Shankaran's method. Very interesting. We get sometime beautiful this one, but our first priority will be our mixtures only. Soham mixtures, normal mixtures, NM mixtures, organ like that will there. And uh, we name, I want you people to name few diseases because complete diseases is will not possible. But we'll see if anything, what you call, this we have already made one more Excel sheet for a different disease. What are the remedies to be added? That also will be very easy for you. We'll see that so that means approach, practical approach to our healing. That should be covered in this. So uh, next time what we'll do, I'll take the automatic, software, how to use any software and how to come to the conclusion. And after that, how to make the remedies in the different ways. We will demo next time. And I know I was thinking to read all those things, and as I said in the beginning itself, you can record it, you can listen. I I felt it is practically not possible, and it will not be covered in one hour. So you need to read yourself, like whenever you get. So, but the direction I will show you. I will show the direction. This is how you should go and study and treat the patient. But anywhere you stuck, you have maybe having some cases within your family, friends, and your clients without disclosing their name. You can discuss with us with the age and whether female or male, like that. We will be able to analyze, generalize how to give the approach. And today we got the similar cases. It was likely to be cancer. So like such cases were there. In such cases, what should be our approach and where all we have to cover up, that also we will see. And there one more topic is there. What worry and shock causes what problem? That's very interesting thing is there. That is the German new medicine, GNM. GNM says that, see, with what shock, what disease you get, what cancer you get, that is there. So when I will discuss that list in between with some other subject, so we'll be able to identify. We can ask them. See, today the lady came. He was having the suspected the what you call uh, parotid gland CA suspected. So parotid gland suspected glandular CA is due to the worries. I just asked what are the worries you have. Then I tackled it correctly. So then I said you should stop that worries, and we gave for a glandular remedies glands, and also we made a from Vibronics our C1, C2, C3, electrohomeopathy. If you are interested, if you say, no, because it should not become too vast for you. But if you say anybody that, I want to know about electrohomeopathy, that also we will make some slot and we will cover up, because we have already rate derived for all the electrohomeopathic remedies. When to give electrohomeopathic remedies, and see, there is no, not necessary that you should only give the electrohomeopathy. So for that only, we are able to handle many cases successfully, but we will not be able to tell what therapy from, it is cured. What therapy means? It is ultimately vibronics only. But I would taken the radionic rate from the electrohomeopathy or the mixtures or a single remedy. What? We don't know. Because ultimate result, we want that result should be there. So likewise, sometime we use the electrohomeopathic rates to make a remedy. So if you are interested, if to know, and I'm also planning our digital vibronics will have electrohomeopathic the remedies. So just we have still more half an hour, or you can say 10-15 minutes. If no, I think I will not be able to complete it within short period. We will explain it in some other time. But I will give you the background of electrohomeopathy. Electrohomeopathy means something, it is not at all something new. They are combinations of the homeopathic remedy. All they are taken from 144 plant remedies only. They are only taken from the plant remedies. They are the making the remedy is they use a cohibition method. Cohibition method. They use the plant, and that is what I need a more time for that. So I will explain to you later. So I think so. It is better to end here, because here whatever we started in telling, but we reached somewhere else. So I will prepare for the electrohomeopathy telling in the creams, and I will give the list of remedy, how we can generate and how we can cover the remedy, and we will know, because electrohomeopathy will be our part of vibronics. So every time, we will explore new things and add many more remedy, many more therapies into our vibronics. We have added acupuncture into vibronic. We have added batch flower remedies into vibronic. Like that, we will increase our data bank, and you see which one will be able to, with what remedy, with what therapy we will be able to tackle that particular problem. We will see. Okay. Now I think so far today we will end. Anyway, this is today's. Of course, we are decided to run this institute, or I can say classes, only on that Saturday and Sunday. I know people are very busy with family, friends, and the patients also sometime. So anyway, but we don't have any choice. And you have the recorded version, you can listen, and you privately message me what you want to know, because this is, we have only few time left now. So privately you can message me saying that what you want to know. So like we are going to take definitely a case, and we will so that we'll take the case taking, we will ask the question, and one how we will record, and by next Saturday, I will make the case record sheet for our vibronic practitioner. Case record sheet. So what all you will have to, we will check, what you will identify and prescribe as per the case sheet. Okay, I will make it so simple and effective. So within there itself, I will put some points. Though if this is the case, what all the remedies we can give, so that it will be easy for you to identify. Okay. So thank you for being with me for the day, for this Sunday, and we will make the next coming the sessions more interesting and more interactive, and result oriented. Result oriented means practical application, because we have done enough in telling theories. We have done enough in knowing our body, how body works and everything. Now practical application of vibronics we will do. Okay. So thank you very much, sir.